Are you looking to take your Halloween decor to the next level this year? Wondering how to turn your home into a spooky yet stylish masterpiece? Whether you're hosting a Halloween party or just want to impress the trick-or-treaters, I've got you covered with creative and easy-to-execute Halloween decor ideas that will leave everyone in awe. Let's dive right in. How can I create a spooky but welcoming entrance for Halloween? Your entrance sets the tone for your entire Halloween decor, and balancing spooky with welcoming is key. Use eerie lighting. Place lanterns or LED candles along the pathway, and mix in string lights shaped like pumpkins or ghosts to guide guests toward your home with a spooky glow. Add a creepy door wreath. Use elements like black feathers, faux spider webs, and miniature skeletons for a welcoming but eerie vibe. Incorporate Halloween-themed doormats. Select one with phrases like "Enter if you dare" or "Beware" to complete the haunted entryway. If you're loving these ideas so far, hit the like button and share this video with your friends for more Halloween inspiration. How can I decorate a Halloween-themed mantle or fireplace? Your mantle is a great spot for a spooky centerpiece. Here are a few tips to make it stand out. Use layered candles. Mix different heights and sizes of black or white candles, some lit and others left unlit for a mysterious vibe. Add a garland of creepy items. Think about using faux cobwebs, tiny skeletons, bats, or even old faded books to drape over the mantle. Display vintage-style Halloween decor. Antique lanterns, black cat figurines, and gothic candlesticks create a perfect spooky but chic touch. For more ideas like these, don't forget to check the description for more Halloween-themed videos that you'll love. What's an easy DIY project for indoor Halloween decorations? DIY projects not only save money, but also give your decor a personalized touch. Here are 3 easy ones. Spiderweb wall art. All you need is some black yarn and command hooks. Create a web on your wall and add plastic spiders for a spooky focal point. Floating candles. Use paper towel rolls and hot glue to create the illusion of dripping wax. Add battery-operated candles inside, and hang them with clear fishing wire for that magical, floating look. Jar ghosts. Paint old jars white and draw on spooky faces. Place tea lights inside to create glowing ghosts that add a soft and eerie ambiance to any room. Let me know in the comments which of these DIY projects you'd love to try for your Halloween decor. What are some unique Halloween table decor ideas for a dinner party? If you're planning a Halloween dinner party, the table setting can make a bold impression. Here's how to do it. Create spooky centerpieces. Use faux skulls, black roses, or mini pumpkins painted black and gold. Arrange them with candelabras to create a spooky centerpiece. Use themed place settings. Opt for black or blood red napkins, and use miniature coffins or potion bottles as place card holders. Incorporate Halloween-themed plates and glasses. Go for dinnerware with subtle spooky designs like spider webs or bats for a touch of Halloween without going overboard. Save this video to your playlist so you can easily come back to these spooky table setting tips. How can I make my Halloween decorations kid-friendly? If you've got little ones around, you'll want to keep things festive without being too frightening. Here's how. Use fun, not scary elements. Instead of skeletons and zombies, opt for smiling ghosts, cute pumpkins, and friendly witches. Involve kids in decorating. Let them craft their own paper pumpkins, ghost garlands, or paint some cute mini pumpkins for display. Incorporate soft lighting. Avoid strobe lights and overly dark themes. Use string lights shaped like Halloween icons to keep the vibe fun and magical. If you want more fun ideas for your Halloween decor, don't forget to subscribe for weekly updates on seasonal decorating tips. How can I decorate my yard for Halloween on a budget? Yard decorations don't need to break the bank. Here are some budget-friendly ideas. DIY gravestones. Create gravestones out of foam boards or cardboard, paint them gray, and write spooky epitaphs to turn your yard into a haunted graveyard. Use trash bags for hanging ghosts. Fill white trash bags with leaves, tie them off, and use string to hang them from trees as spooky ghosts. Create creepy silhouettes. Cut out black cardboard shapes of witches, cats, or bats, and place them in your windows for a haunting effect. Want more budget-friendly ideas? Check out the products mentioned in the description to bring your yard to life without spending a fortune. What are some trendy Halloween decor items this year? Every year brings new trends in Halloween decor. Here are some of the top trends for this year. Muted and neutral tones. Think of black, white, and gray pumpkins with subtle gold accents, rather than the traditional bright orange. Skeleton animals. From skeleton cats to bats and birds, these eerie yet trendy pieces add a unique touch to any Halloween setup. LED projection lights. Rather than relying on simple string lights, opt for LED projectors that create moving images of ghosts or bats on your walls or home exterior. Looking for these trendy products? Check the description for links to everything featured in this video. Now that you've got plenty of Halloween decor ideas, your home is sure to impress this spooky season. Whether you go all out with DIY projects or stick to simple decor, Halloween is all about having fun and setting the mood. So get creative and enjoy transforming your space.